if you watch my channel or have seen any of my previous reviews, last month's Boxy, what's that called? Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and today I'm going to be doing the April 2020 Boxycharm. This is what Boxycharm looks like, and if you aren't familiar, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription. You can pay 1 month at a time for $25 a month, or you can do 3 months, 6 month, and 12 month subscription pricing packages. You do get a slight discount the more months you pay for in advance. I just do a month to month. So if you are interested in seeing what's in my box this month, keep on watching. Okay, dying to see how they're doing because last month wasn't good. Let me come sealed. This is what the box looks like. Yay, there's a card. A couple months ago I didn't get a card. This month's theme is Festival Vibes. And I have... oh, wow. I've never had an iteration this high before. I am iteration 31. I'm going to reach in and pull out the first item. Ooh, I know this brand. We have the Porefessional Hydrate Primer. Hydrating face primer to minimize the look of pores. Alright. Luckily, I don't suffer from too many bad pores. However, I like a good primer. This is what it looks like out of the box. And it comes sealed. Alright, the Benefit Cosmetic, the Porefessional Hydrate Primer retails for $32. Next item. This is Iconic London, and this is the Illuminator. It's a concentrated liquid shimmer and can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow. Oh, okay. Let's do a... whoa. That is a little dark, but since you're supposed to mix it in on its own, it's probably... ooh, she be shiny. That would be good though. On its own, not so much for my skin tone. However, if you mix it in with your foundation, I could see that being good. Oh, and this retails for $28. This box is so much better than the $50 box. Alright, next item. Ooh, I feel a palette. What is this? Let me take it out of the packaging. This is from Zoeva and Rose Golden. What is this? It's an eyeshadow palette, which retails for $28. Let's please be good colors. Oh, no mirror. However, this color story is right up my boring alley. Okay, let me do a few swatches since I know I will use and keep this. It looks like there are 3, possibly 4 shimmers and some mattes. So let me get a couple of the shimmers. Okay. 3 for 3 so far. Next item. We have some brushes. These are by a company called Lavish. Very colorful. Very tiny. Small, short, skinny. Let me read what the card has to say. Lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection. A must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday and more dramatic look. $29.99. I don't know about that price point. These look to be made in China. They are very lightweight, plastic. If you can see it, there's like a little... I'm sure I'll use them. I love brushes. Price point. Alright, the last item. It's very light. What is this? What does the card say? Alright. Oh, interesting. I don't wear them. But these are false eyelashes. Oh, interesting packaging. Okay. It comes with glue. The card says these are Battington lashes, Harlowe 3D silk lash with mini glue. This 3D lash provides dramatic length and volume. Alright, are you guys familiar with this brand? I am not big into false eyelashes, so I am not, but they do look very wispy. And the band is pretty thin, so I may put this aside for a future giveaway. Okay, so that is the box this month. Let's recap. We got some Battington lashes. Oh, retail price $31. Wow. Okay, so we got some expensive false eyelashes. We got some very colorful, inexpensive, in my opinion, brushes. We got an illuminator, which can be either a highlighter or you can add it to your foundation, primer, or a moisturizer to give your face a glow. We got a primer, the Porefessional, and an eyeshadow palette. That's a pretty good box. When 4 out of the 5 items I enjoy, I consider that a success. Alright, Boxycharm, you're doing much better this month. My $50 box from last month was bad. Alright, so that's it. Give me your opinion, thoughts, comments down below. Do you get Boxycharm? Did you like your box this month? What iteration are you? Again, this is 31. That's a lot. I don't think I've ever seen iterations go up that high. Or maybe it's because I typically get 21, 22, 19. I'm usually in the high teens to low 20s. Last month I was a number 4 and the box did not suit me at all. Alright, thank you everyone for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thanks everyone!